Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video we will be learning how to contact Uber support using the Uber application on your device. If you're having issue with your Uber rides, account, payment or anything else in the app, here is how you can contact the support. First of all, launch open the Uber application on your device and from the main home page, click on the account button at the bottom right corner. Once you open up this account page, go ahead and find the help option at the top left and tap on it. After you open up help, you can go ahead and expand the menu on all topics that you need help with. If you need help with a trip, you can go ahead and tap on the first option. You can also find help with your account, accessibility, guides, map issues, and so on. Go ahead and expand what kind of issue you are going through and you'll be able to find relatable help. If you want to contact the support, then you can go ahead and click on the account help option and look for I need to contact support. And then go ahead and write down your name on your account, your phone number, select if one of the issues you are going on is here and toggle on the menu of yes. And you can also share a detail about your issue. And finally, after filling in all of the details, click on submit. Soon after you do that, you will be able to submit a help ticket on Uber. So that's how you can easily contact Uber support in a few simple steps. After some time, you'll be able to receive help from their end. So if you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.